Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 10th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will be brilliantly sunny today, but cool, and tomorrow morning, frost a possibility. Next decent cold front due in here toward the end of next week. Let's go in there and check things out this morning. Water vapor satellite view. Got troughing over the eastern part of Canada that's delivered this cool air. And a dry air mass in place here. And hey, it's cold. Look at that. 34 at Fort Payne and Cullman. 36 for Gadsden. 37 for Anniston. Birmingham, 38. Our guy up at Black Creek, Vic Bell, has 32. He's at freezing early this morning. And up north, it's brutally cold for early November. Temperatures way below zero in northern Minnesota. And that cold air moving down into the northeast United States. In coming days, we've got freeze warnings in effect for much of the Carolinas, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware. And down this way, we have a frost advisory for tomorrow morning. Now, notice that Jackson and DeKalb counties are not in this simply because they've already had widespread frost. But the bottom line is the northern third of the state will see some frost early tomorrow morning with lows in the 30s. And obviously, with the cold air mass, not a lot of thunderstorms around the country today. And for us, the pattern is fairly dry for the next 7 days. This is the rain through Friday morning of next week. Not much at all. Despite a couple of fronts that might zip through here Sunday night and maybe Wednesday night of next week. Again, I think the next chance of showers and storms coming maybe just beyond this period, late Friday night, or maybe that following Saturday, as you'll see. And the tropics are quiet now. Let's check it out. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. Troughing moving into the northeast United States. And again, for us, a beautiful fall day. Sunny with a high between 62 and 65. Tomorrow we start the day in the 30s with a chance of frost. The high will be in the mid-60s, a sunny day. Great day for football or anything else. Sunday, got a weak front approaching from the north, but there's just not much moisture to deal with here. We'll mention a slight chance of a shower Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening, and that's it. Most places will be dry. The high should be in the low 60s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. That'll be the case for much of the week. There's Tuesday, Wednesday, and again, another front north of the state. Looks like that'll be coming through in a dry fashion Wednesday evening. Thursday looks dry. We might get up there close to 70 Thursday afternoon, but still very pleasant, just very nice. And this is a week from today. This is Friday the 17th. That's a pretty vigorous trough north of us and a really deep surface low, 980 millibars. The Witch of November, one of those big Great Lakes wind events, with a trailing cold front down to Little Rock and Dallas-Fort Worth. And that seems to be the next chance of showers and storms, but the surface low is pretty far north. Hopefully that will mitigate any severe weather opportunity. And also we note the GFS really showing no instability. This is noon on Friday the 17th. So we'll mention a chance of showers and maybe some thunder out there. But if this verifies, obviously no severe weather problems. And then this is the following day. This is Saturday the 18th. Now the GFS shows a cool, dry air mass in place. But the European, on the other hand, is radically different. It's got a deep surface low. Again, one of those howling wind events for the Great Lakes in November. Up around Green Bay, that deep surface low up there with a trailing front and a chance of showers on Saturday the 18th. So confidence is fairly low in the timing of that. We'll just have to wait and see. But again, that's not necessarily a severe weather look there. And this is the following day, Sunday the 19th, troughing moving off the East Coast. That's cool and dry. And just for the fun of it, let's look at the GFS ensemble out there toward Thanksgiving. This is valid for November 23rd into early November 24th. And if this verifies, this is suggesting the eastern half of the country could be pretty cold out there at Thanksgiving. We'll see. There's the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Pretty seasonal. Again, they're actually a little below average. Keep in mind we should be in the upper 60s this time of the year. And again, note that big drop-off out there toward Thanksgiving with highs dropping down toward 50 and lows well down in the 30s at that point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.